Hey guys, this is Muchibi Maxon again, and today I decided to make some video tutorial, a video series about Cinema 4D. And this series is going to teach you the real basics and understand what real 3D is. And this is for the basics. It's for people who have never built any 3D object or content before. So quick, you're gonna need Cinema 4D for this, and let me just simply open up mine. Here it is. So in these first few videos, like 3 to 4, I'm gonna be explaining the user interface of Cinema 4D and explaining to you what 3D objects are. So first off, I should explain what a 3D object is and what it's made of before I get into the interface and all of that cool stuff. So you might look at Cinema 4D here and think, God, that software is intimidating, but it shouldn't be. When you come to learn it, it's one of the easiest 3D softwares out there, and that's the reason why I'm even using it in this tutorial, because I want you to learn the basics. So when you learn Cinema 4D, you could move to Maya. As you can see, Maya here is the software that professional game companies and Sony Entertainment, like making those cool animations like Transylvania Home, they use Maya to do all that start to finish. And so let's get to it, guys. Let me first create a simple sphere here, because that, okay, let me create a cube that would give you a basic understanding of a 3D object. Now a 3D object is an object that can be viewed in 3 dimensions, in like it would be like in real life, like how you can place an object down and view it from every angle. So that's what a 3D is, and a 3D object is. So, and a 3D object is made up of faces, polygons, or vertices. And right now, for you to understand faces, I'm just gonna make it into an editable object, and I'll be explaining all of that in the future. So just gonna click this button right here. But before I do that, let me first undo it. For macOS it's Command Z, for Windows it's Control Z. Since I'm using macOS, if you're using macOS too, you should press Control Z. For Windows, out Command Z, sorry, and for Windows, Control Z. Here, as you can see, you can control the segments, and by increasing the segments, that increases the faces of the 3D object as well. But before I increase the segments, I'm just gonna come here real quick and change my view to that's a very hard word to read, ground shading lines, if that's it. Yeah, turn that on. As you can see, my segments have increased in the x-axis. And if you don't understand what an axis is, or what axes are, you can, let me first explain it real quick. The axis, there are 3 axes in the 3D environment. There is the x-axis, the z-axis, and the y-axis. So the easy way to understand it is that the y-axis is for up and down, the z-axis for left and right, and the x-axis is for front and back. It's for front and back. But I'm just, as you can see, it's for front and back. So I increased the segments on the x-axis, which is for front and back. As you can see, my segments increased right here, and I'm gonna do 20 for Y, so which means my segments are going to increase like this. If I put in 20 here, 20, and as you can see my segments have increased. Now if I increase the Z segments, they're gonna increase in this method, up and down. So sorry, left and right. I'm gonna do 20, and as you can see they have increased on left and right. So as you can see, I have a lot of geometry here, a lot of axes. Now we could make, so a 3D object is made up of these small boxes, and you could model like a chair from just this box you see right here. And in the future tutorials I'm gonna be explaining to you how to do all that as we go, but for now I'm just gonna stop here and let you sink that in. And in the next videos I'm gonna be explaining a little about the interface, and I'll be explaining about 3D objects as we go. So thanks you guys for watching, and see you guys in video number 2. So like the video, comment, subscribe to get notifications once I upload more videos about Cinema 4D and all other stuff. So thanks you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next video, and have a Merry Christmas, guys. It's only 13 days left here till Christmas, so have nice holidays, guys.